Sunil Jacob is asking that how is the best buy list reviewed? For example, there is a pharma company and which has already given 60% since our recommendation, but it is still a best buy at a price to book value of 11 times, which seems very expensive. Whereas a recently recommended gas company with a price to book value of less than 1 is not in the best buy. No, not true. You are referring to this pharma company. In fact, we recommended this company. It went, we have recommended in Stock Advisor this pharma company twice. Once we recommended when it was, and from that level it has gone up by nearly 3.5 times. And we recommended it once again. We re-recommended it after the price had doubled, and we were becoming little apprehensive like you. But now we have become more confident about this company. In fact, there is a possibility that if the price corrects for a brief period, we just might re-recommend the third time this company, even though it looks expensive. Because this is a fast-growing company. It has added capacity. Yeah, and we think that this could be on. The outlook for this company looks very bright, much brighter than it used to be. It has resolved most of the problems most expeditiously. For the first time, for the first time after many years, this management came to clarify and report all the things that they have done. They have added significant capacity, and it was getting constrained by its capacity. It was, all its capacity was fully utilized. So in that sense, we are extremely upbeat on this, and we don't sell our winners. If we think that, this just because it has become expensive, we are normally averse to, taking a short-term view. The Stock Advisor is not going to give you trading tips that sell it now and buy once again after 6-8 months, because that causes a lot of anxiety. This is a stock worth holding for next 4-5 years, unless of course, all the riders, all the things, things don't go the way you plan many a times. But this company is proving us to, it is showing all the variables, which makes us even, very optimistic about this company. About the gas company you are referring to, we like it for its dividend yield. We think it's a very significant company. We don't like it because it's there's something we don't like about this company because it's government owned. We generally don't like government owned. We don't like government as the owner of these businesses. But this company has, such a competitive advantage, very difficult to replicate. A compelling dividend yield of, 8.5%. A business which is actually guarded from, and it's a safe investment. I'm hopeful that this should turn out to be, but I think the pharma company I will still err on. I will think of it very compelling. Why it is not part of the best list? It is on the best buy list. Consider our two most newest recommendation as part of the best buy list.